When it comes to exploring on a budget, the USA has some hidden gems that won't break the bank. First up, let's talk about New Orleans. Known for its vibrant culture and incredible food, you can stroll through the French Quarter, enjoy live jazz, and indulge in beignets without spending a fortune. Plus, many festivals are free to attend, making it a perfect spot for budget travelers. Next, consider the stunning landscapes of the Great Smoky Mountains. This national park straddles the border of North Carolina and Tennessee and offers breathtaking views, hiking trails, and wildlife, all at no entrance fee. Camping here is affordable, and you can immerse yourself in nature without the hefty price tag. Moving on to the West Coast, San Diego is a fantastic choice. With its beautiful beaches, parks, and the famous Balboa Park, you can enjoy the outdoors without spending much. Pack a picnic, hit the beach, and soak up the sun. The local taco shops offer delicious meals that won't empty your wallet. Now, let's hop over to India, where budget travel is an adventure in itself. Rishikesh, known as the yoga capital of the world, is not only serene but also affordable. You can find cozy guest houses and enjoy yoga classes for a fraction of the price you'd pay elsewhere. Plus, the Ganges River offers stunning views and spiritual experiences that are priceless. Another great destination is Jaipur, the Pink City. With its rich history, you can explore magnificent forts and palaces. Many of these sites have low entry fees, and street food is both delicious and cheap. Don't miss the local markets where you can haggle for beautiful handicrafts. Now, let's jump across the pond to the UK. If you're looking for cheap yet beautiful places, consider the Lake District. This area is perfect for hiking and enjoying nature, with plenty of free trails and stunning views. You can find budget accommodations in charming villages, making it a peaceful escape. Another hidden treasure is the coastal town of Whitby. With its picturesque harbor, historic abbey, and fresh seafood, it's a delightful spot to explore. The beach is free, and you can enjoy a classic fish and chips meal without overspending. Traveling doesn't have to be expensive. With a little research and an adventurous spirit, you can discover amazing places that offer unforgettable experiences without the hefty price tag. So pack your bags, hit the road, and make memories that last a lifetime.